My name is NK Anand. I'm the founder and CEO of vAudit. We ship thousands of orders every month of precious metals. So the main challenge which we were facing is again reconciling the orders when some disputes or fraud order comes. So we were using basic IP cameras which were recording the entire process without any kind of marking or any kind of labeling or anything as such. Since it's a CCTV camera, what we used to do is we'll call out the names while packing, actually saying this is the customer name and this is the grams we are packing, just in case like a timeline mark we used to do. To be honest, because we have to watch the entire video to find that exact order. If the order we are able to locate early, it's better. If we are not able to locate it, then they have to watch the entire clipping of almost 5 or 6 hours of footage you have to watch just to find that particular order. Since we signed up with vAudit, it was very easy and seamless to just locate that exact timeline of that order and reconcile and win disputes easily. For such scenarios where the customer claimed that certain items inside the package was missing, but since we had vAudit, we were able to pinpoint to the exact video where we have packed the exact actuals as per the order, and we were able to win that claim. And it has helped us a lot and saved a lot of time and money, because had been that dispute was in the favor of the customer, it would have been a difficult financial loss. In the long run, the service itself makes up for the cost of the plan. Going with vAudit is a no-brainer for me. Stumbled upon vAudit, as I said, by doing one day's research. The next day I found vAudit. The next day I installed. So all the products of vAudit are do-it-yourself. So pretty much they are self-explanatory on how to do it. It will not take more than half an hour. Even for a layman, it was very easy to understand. The process and SOPs are straightforward. Anyone and everyone can use it. It's not you need to be too technical to use it. Although I heard from peers that their support is too good even across countries. So when you need them, you should have them, and they were just a phone call away, and that's the best part. vAudit is a compulsory investment you have to do, not just on the product. It's the investment on your safety and if you want to win the disputes or whatever it is, vAudit is the best way to go forward.